Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Honda Civic. We're gonna do a engine oil change. Make sure you have a bucket to drain the oil into. To do oil change, you need to remove this 17mm bolt right here. That's where you drain the oil from. You can see there's an engine tie in here, engine oil, points right at it. So we're gonna remove that, drain all the oil, and after that we're gonna change this oil filter. We're gonna put a new oil filter. So we're ready to remove the 17mm bolt.
This car uses a cover here.
Usually this car has a cover, but this is missing, so that's a less work for us. So you take the 17mm socket with the ratchet, loosen that bolt, put the drain pan under it, and you're gonna release the bolt for the oil to drain out. The drain plug has a small little washer. You always want to see what's the condition of that washer. If it's fairly good, you can reuse it. If not, you do have to change that. So once you have the bolt out, the oil should start draining. Give it enough time to completely drain. And once it drains, we are going to come right back. You can see that oil is dirty. So let this oil drain and we're going to come back after a few minutes. Okay, once the oil drains out, you want to make sure you put the drain plug back in. Make sure you catch the threads by hand. Catch a couple of threads by hand and then screw it in by hand and then tighten it with the ratchet. On and on. And there you go, it's at the end. Now we're gonna take the ratchet, wipe the oil off a little bit before that. Take the ratchet, and we're gonna tighten that bolt just enough, not too tight. You don't want to strip the threads, damage the oil pan, anything like that. Use two hands. Any good mechanic, he always uses two hands. Okay, so the bolt is tight. Now we're gonna move over to the oil filter. Oil filter is that orange filter right there. You're gonna take the filter wrench. There's different types. So we have the claw, blue point claw. Turn the filter loose. It has oil in it, so you gotta be careful. Put the drain pan under it. Slowly loosen that filter, let the oil come out. Just like that. Let the oil come out. After that, you can unscrew a little bit more. Once the filter is out, make sure you don't drop it. It will split all over if you do drop it, because the oil filter is full. There you go, we have the filter out. You always want to check the seal of the old filter is not stuck to the housing. In this case, it's not. Because if you do leave that seal behind, it's not going to make a good seal with the new filter. And oil filter will leak from the two seals. You want to take the new filter, you always want to put a little bit of oil on that on the oil filter seal. That will give it a good slip and grab onto the housing. You take the filter and hand tighten the filter.
Always hand tight.
Hand tight should be enough for this filter. And that's it. Wipe it down a little bit. Any residue of oil, you do want to wipe it down, because if the customer goes home, he's gonna have drips on his driveway he's gonna be a not happy customer. After this, we're gonna bring the car down and we're gonna put oil in the engine from the top. Now we're gonna put the engine oil in this car. This takes 0W20 oil. Takes about almost 5 quarts, a little bit less than 5 quarts. Customer brought his own oil, so we're gonna put the oil in. He said he had a really good deal on his oil, and this is what he wants. So you're gonna put almost about 5 quarts in there, a little bit less than 5 quarts. Once you have this oil in, you can always check it with the dipstick, start the engine up so the oil can circulate through the oil filter, and just make sure you have enough oil in there. And that's it. That's how you do oil change on a 2016 Honda Civic. Now we're gonna go and reset this light, but before that we're gonna remove this funnel, put the cap on, and then we'll get back into the car and reset the maintenance light. Okay, to reset the light on this 2016 Honda Civic, you have to turn the key on. This one is keyless. This is without the key. This is a remote, so you don't press the brake, just press the engine start button and this panel will illuminate. You go to menu first, then you go to vehicle settings, click maintenance and select items, and then you can reset the oil from right there. And that's it, the oil light has been reset.